Also, the show we're playing tonight and the show we played last night, both with friends of ours, Mild Winter, who are from Harrisonburg, and this song is called You Do Too, and it'll be off on our new record as well. There's one other thing I wanted to say. What was it? Oh, this guitar I'm playing is a friend, Willie Thompson's father's guitar, because our bandmate Chris left last night and couldn't be with us today, and he took our guitar.
Well, it's his guitar.
It is
really.
his guitar, but so we were guitarless, and Willie was nice enough to let us borrow this one. It's really nice.
Jonathan Vassar and the Speckled Bird in the studio at WMRA.
When the trees are trimmed and the deed is done, when the false is precious, silver on your tongue, give me a cherry without a stone. Give me one reason to come back home. I know we're through, and you do too. Like soft lips pressed to the hem of your dress, a little death with a sweet caress. You let the flame blemish your skin, but it's not as hot as you pretend. I know we're through, and you do too. The birds, can you feel the hole? Does it make you wonder, make your blood run cold? Sitting on the bed of a friend who's died, will you take it with you? Wipe your weeping eyes. I know we're through, and you do too. And you
Acoustic Cafe on WMRA. I'm Lisa Haas, sitting here with Jonathan Vassar, Antonia Fisher-Duke Vassar, and Joshua Quarles, who are three members of the quartet, Jonathan Vassar and the Speckled Bird. That was a song off of their album, which will be released next month, The Fire Next Time. Tell me again what that number is called.
You Do Too.
You Do Too. And
Yes.
what was the inspiration behind that song?
Well, that was actually written for a friend of mine who has been a songwriting mentor of mine for a long time, and it's kind of written in the style of his music, and kind of with his style of lyrics as well. It's very kind of impressionistic, but yeah, it's. His name is Paul Watson, and he's been involved with all sorts of different music projects, including his current and the Wireman out of New York, and Sparkle Horse, and as well as his own material. But he's a very very talented man, and a good friend and mentor of mine.
Jonathan Vassar and the Speckled Bird come out of Richmond, and you can catch them in their hometown tonight playing at the Camel at 8 p.m. And where can we find your CD, The Fire Next Time?
The Fire Next Time, it will be released on the 17th of October, and it will be available through triplestamp.com as well as jonathanvassar.com. And in addition to that, we have a MySpace account, which a lot of people do, and it will be available there as well.
And followers of the Acoustic Cafe on Facebook can find a link to their MySpace page.
Excellent.
Well, we're going to let you guys get on the road and back to Richmond so that you can make your show tonight, but really appreciate you coming out and talking with us and sharing some of your music.
Well, thank you so much for having us. It's our pleasure.